Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries in the garage, and we are very, very excited. The time is finally here, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, look behind me. We have Kawasaki's all new mini flagship model, the ZX-4RR. Now, this bike is an inline four. It's a brand new motorcycle. If you haven't already seen it, we did have a little bit of a first look of this bike a few weeks ago, and now we can actually ride this bike. We can turn it on, we can show all the goodness of this new machine. But with that being said, we are here to add value, and there's no better way to do that than with some awesome products to invigorate you with your brand new motorcycle, and better yet, the installation videos to go along to instill the confidence for you to install them yourselves. So let's go through the list. As you can see on the bike behind me, we do have some parts already installed: mirror block-offs, our Nexus turn signals, our integrated tail light, fender eliminator, a Graves exhaust, and much more. We have a few items on the table, a bunch more in the pipeline for this bike, and best of all, we do want to hear feedback from you all, the viewers, on what you would like to see us bring to the market. So let's go ahead and just rattle off some of the products we have here. We do have bar ends and spool sliders from our partner company in Poland, Wometech. They provide our crash protection products. So as you can see here, bar ends for your clip-ons, spool sliders to bring a little bit of crash protection to the rear of your bike and that swing arm, and also provide a lift point. But not only do we have spool sliders, we also have the anodized spools like the red ones you see on the swing arm behind me. So if you want something a little bit smaller with some color pop, those will be the ones. We will also have some levers already available on our website. Moving along here, we have our true TST exclusive products that we have designed and developed in-house here. So we have our LED flasher relay, plug and play, one for the bike. You're good to go when you upgrade your signals. Our integrated tail light is already available, plug and play, no modifications needed, fully programmable, and available in a smoked or clear lens. Moving along, we do have the Nexus turn signals. These are a staple product here that we've developed for the Kawasaki models, and we are really excited. We do have the sequential ones installed, but we also have standard ones. You can check out our product feature on this product if you want a deeper look into what we've developed and what we're bringing to the table. We do have mirror block-offs as well. If you're going to the track and want to take those mirrors off, or just want a cleaner look and you plan on installing some bar end mirrors, you can remove those and you can bypass just throwing on some bolts and washers and calling it a day. Install something clean that fits properly. And of course, we do have our fender eliminator here. We have one installed on the bike. These are just prototypes. It is currently early May of 2023. We're hoping that by the end of this month or early June, we will have these on the market available to purchase, and they will be available in a fixed bracket as well as our adjustable fender eliminator system. ABS injection molded, texture and color matched to the underside of the bike. One of the cleanest fender eliminators you will find on the market. Now, if you like our taillight, want to add some external signals, we will also have Y splitters available and our LED rear pod turn signal bundles. So you can go ahead and install the taillight, use the turn signals that are built into this taillight, and also add external signals for increased visibility. I think it's a win-win either way, completely plug and play, just the way you'd like. Now, we do plan on developing quite a few other products. We will be offering frame sliders and fork sliders. We will be working with Wometech to bring those products to the market and then to your doorstep. We also are currently developing some velocity stacks and flashes. So if you want to tune this bike, really ring out the power that Kawasaki has tuned down, we will have those available, and an air filter, the full works package, no pun intended. And we're hoping down the road, as we continue tearing this bike apart, tuning it, testing it, and just having fun, that we can bring other products like hopefully some captive chain adjusters, some GP lifters, and all sorts of other products oriented for the track or the street with, of course, you in mind. So if you like this video, if you're just as excited about this bike as we are, leave us a comment down below, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. We want to hear from you. Give us your thoughts on what you'd like to see from us for this bike, or if you're just excited about this bike, let us know. Give us a hell yeah in the comment, just like Stone Cold. And lastly, give us a shout out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all username TST Industries. You like this merch? We got plenty of it. Some new designs coming out so you can rep us while you're off your bike. We hope you enjoyed this video. This has been Mark from the TST Garage, and we'll catch you guys next time.